Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to restore deleted files on your Mac. Alright, now of course if you check out right here, I have a folder, could be any file including other pictures or something like that. Alright, so let's zoom in a bit. So as you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete the file. So I'm going to secondary click. Once I do, I'm going to say move to bin. Alright, so of course the file has been deleted. Now in order to restore the file, you're going to go ahead guys and you're going to find the bin, which is right here. So go ahead guys and move your cursor down here. Notice the bin there, you're going to click. And of course once you enter here, you should see the file within the bin. Alright, so in order to restore this from the bin, you can drag and drop, or you can simply secondary click by touching the keypad with 2 fingers. So rest it over the folder, go ahead and secondary click, and of course there's the option to put back. So put back would indicate that you're placing the file back to its original location. Hit put back. You can then notice here it says it's now on the desktop. You can close this out, and of course notice the bin is now empty. And if you go here, you can check out that it has been restored. Alright, so that's how to do that on your Mac. If you want to learn how to restore files that have been deleted from the bin itself, that's a separate tutorial, and you need special software to actually do restoration such as that. Alright guys, so as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.